the Raspberry Pi attachment, the power over Ethernet attachment, the Arduino project battery attachment, Arduino with an Ethernet shield attachment, Arduino with Modbus attachment, a demonstration of thread mount. Now, you can print these in different colors, same color, use a color scheme for one project and other colors for something else. For instance, an Arduino project could have everything in orange. Anything color-coded yellow means like a high voltage power supply, for instance. Green could be everything to do with a particular Raspberry Pi project. So it's all up to you. Should be super nice and clear, and I am really enjoying this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.